Dear students, I hope you all have revised this chapter carefully, and today we are going to do the exercises of this chapter. Let us start. Choose the correct option. So, the first statement is Indian history of the medieval times began from 6th century CE, 7th century CE, 10th century CE, and 8th century CE. CE means after the period after the birth of Jesus. You can say AD in place of CE also. So the correct option is 8th century CE. Indian history of the medieval times began from 8th century CE. Next statement, second, early medieval history is from 8th century CE to 12th century CE. Now third statement, the land to the east of Indus came to be called Hindustan by the Greeks, Persians, Arabs, both first and second. So not by the Greeks, but the Persians and Arabs used to call India as Hindustan. So these both answers are correct. The Persians and Arabs, they used to call Hindustan. Now, next statement, which Veda has the reference to a name of a king named Bharat? Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda, and Athar Veda. So Rig Veda is the correct option. Now fifth statement, Aine Akbari was written by Chand Bardai, Abul Fazl, Minhaj Siraj, none of these. So Abul Fazl is the correct option. Abul Fazl, Aine Akbari was written by Abul Fazl. Prithviraj Rasu was written by Abul Fazl, Babur, Jahangir, Chand Bardai. So Chand Bardai is the correct option. Chand Bardai has written Prithviraj Rasu. Now next statement, we come to know about Muhammad bin Tughlaq from the account written by Abdul Razak, Al-Barni, Ibn Battuta, and Marco Polo. So Ibn Battuta is the correct option. Next statement, we come to know about Balban from the accounts given by Marco Polo, Al-Barni, Ibn Battuta, Abdul Razak. So Al-Barni is the correct option. Sun Temple is located at Amritsar, Madhya Pradesh, Konark, Kanchipuram. So Konark, the Sun Temple is located at Konark in Odisha. Present time in Odisha. Sun Temple is located at Konark in Odisha. Aine Akbari gives us an insight of Babur's administration, Humayun's administration, Akbar administration, Jahangir's administration. So we can understand it with its name, Aine Akbari. That is why it is related to Akbar's administration. Abdul Razzaq wrote about South India, Vijayanagara Kingdom, Western India, Bengal and Assam. So Vijayanagara Kingdom is the correct option. Now, next statement, the court language of the Mughals was Hindi, Sanskrit, Persian. Persian is the correct answer. The court language of the Mughals was Persian. Cholas gained importance in North India, South India, West India, East India. South India. South India is the correct answer.